Hey guys, it's Greg Jones for Engine Builder. We are in Mooresville, North Carolina today, and I'm joined by Sandy Wilkins of Wilkins Racing Engines. And this right here between us is a 347 cubic inch small block Chevy for Comp Eliminator, and it's our Engine of the Week.
Engine Builder's Engine of the Week is sponsored by Pen Grade 1, L-Ring DOS Original, and NPW.
Sandy, thanks so much for giving us a little bit of time here to chat. We got another engine here that you guys have done a rebuild on, or something for Comp Eliminator, this small block. So we'd love to know a little bit about it. It sounds like this engine's been out there for a little while. Has it been an engine that you guys have worked on a few times?
So this is our first time working on this engine. It is for a customer, but we took parts from an old Pro Stock truck engine. And the customer specifically asked for a particular set of heads and manifold combination, and that's what we went with. And basically we filled in the blanks. Yeah, excellent, excellent. So it's a 347 small block. If you could, walk us through some of the components on here that you guys chose to use. Well, it's a really unique block. It's A200 deck block with a 60 millimeter cam core, small 2-inch mains, and of course it's a dry sump application. The engine's not completely finished, but we've got it to a point where it's ready for dress out. And this is a CFE billet small block head with a CFE intake manifold. On this application, it is a Jessel rocker system, Jessel belt drive, Bryant crankshaft. It is a aluminum MGP rod, and a Gibtech billet piston.
Very cool. How about the camshaft? And then you mentioned a little bit of the Valvetrain. How about some of the other Valvetrain components in there?
So the cam is a comp cam. They do a great job for us. They have some of the best engineers on staff, and of course the world-class best cam grinders. So we really enjoy working with Comp. We have a Jessel keyway lifter systems, 937 diameter key lifters. It has 1/2-inch trimmed push rods with a ball adjuster and a bronze cup. So it's a little bit different than what you would normally see, but it's pretty common in today's drag racing world. Of course, it's titanium valves, but it's a 2/300 diameter intake valve, which is pretty big for a small block Chevy.
For sure.
This engine should run in the 10,000 to 10.3 RPM range and make right at 1,000 horsepower. Wow.
Yeah, that's awesome. Now, Sandy, obviously got some nice internals in here, but it's hard to ignore the two big carbs on top. You want to talk a little bit about the Holleys here? This is
a newer designed Holley XP, and it was brought to us by the customer. It's something that he chose to use, and we use a lot of these. It's a 200 butterfly, and provides a lot of air for this particular application. Holley's been great, with everything they've made, and what's nice about these is they pretty much just bolt them on and run as they are. Sandy, anything else that we're leaving out about this particular build? You mentioned that you guys are pretty much done with it. You got a few dress items to finish up on it. But so from here we will mount the motor plate, the water system, the dry sump system, the tank, etc. And then we'll take we have our own Goodrich hose system here, and we'll make all the hoses here in-house, and then it'll go to the dyno. And at that point, we'll know what it's got. And you're thinking somewhere right in that 1,000 horsepower range. This type of engine, and this customer has a number of these engines, not with this particular head combination, but they are typically, 980, 990 range. And so hopefully this will break the 1,000 number, but we'll have to wait and see. Awesome. Well, Sandy, thank you so much for telling us a little bit about it. We appreciate it. Guys, we appreciate you all watching this episode of Engine of the Week. Make sure you're checking out Wilkins Racing Engines. And as always, make sure you're checking out enginebuildermag.com for more engine content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.